So the postman's bin, and I've got my cold smoker. I've also got some different types of smoking dust in here. So they're only small bags, so I think you kind of use one at a time. But I've got some apple smoking. It's like sawdust really. Some whiskey oak and some more whiskey oak, and then some plain smoke, and then the let's put this in here. Let's see, open that up. I've not tried one of these cold smokers before, but they look really good bits of kit, and I can't wait to try some smoked salmon on it, because I love smoked salmon. Okay, so you've got your destructions, just throw them away, and bag here of it looks dodgy, doesn't it? Some more smoking wood. I don't know what that is. I'll find out. Anyway, yeah, so basically this is the cold smoker. So what you do is you fill that up with the dust, pack it fairly tight, and you kind of light the candle and hold it underneath, and it just kind of lights one end, and then once it's lit you take it out, and the idea is obviously it just kind of slowly burns round like that. It's supposed to smoke for 10 hours this, so that remains to be seen, but quite happy with this, so I'm looking forward to using it. So keep an eye out for the videos of the cold smoker.